Alrighty, folks. Truck needs a little bit of a wash. Got some bug action here.
Please, deposit $2. I'm trying.
Alrighty, folks, we're on our way. Total Archery Challenge, first morning. It's about, what, 6 o'clock right now?
6 Michigan time.
6 Michigan time. Like I said, first day. Adam's in the front seat. He's ready to run that stand.
So ready.
Let's hit this.
Do it. Do it.
Well, people love the truck.
We are sitting with Sean DeGray, president of Total Archery Challenge. You see people just absolutely flowing through here, vendors everywhere. What was the start of Total Archery? What was the first year? It cannot have looked like this. What was take me through the growth.
We started in 2012. We had 2 vendor booths.
All right.
Prime and Badass Outdoor Gear. And they're still here today as major participants of our event. I've been in the hunting industry to some degree pretty much since I graduated high school. Worked for some outfitters guiding in Alaska and Montana, and we still go to Alaska, Montana, try to every year. But this provided us a window to expand into our passion for work and then be able to take some time off during the hunting season.
Clearly everyone's here, they're down to hunt, they're down to shoot, they're into their bows, both competition and hunting. All right, what up guys? It is day 2. We're back out at Total Archery. Another Beautiful day. We're going to be out here for the entire day. Mason and I are going to get out on the course today and actually shoot the Leupold course out here at Total Archery Challenge. But for now, we're going to warm up on the range a little bit and get after it. All right, what is going on, guys? We are at the start of the Leupold loop here at Total Archery. You guys walked Prime yesterday?
Yeah, we walked Prime.
So we're taking on the Leupold today. Looking forward to it.
All right, into the dungeon we go.
To a cone.
The one thing that we push hard, and you'll see a lot of that, is it's not a competition, so everyone's out here to help others get better, and we set up these courses, and some of the shots are really long and tight gaps and that, but just to make you better. And if somebody tells you about it, or you see some photos about it being extreme or whatever, you make it what you want. If it's too far of a shot, scoot in. If the brush is in the way, you're not comfortable, move left or right, you know, try to open that up. And so it's an opportunity where we can introduce new hunters and new archers to the sport. And that's one of the major missions we had, is to create something that was fun from the bottom level to the top level.
Alrighty guys, it's going to be the last day here. So far a very successful run. Adam and I are going out, shoot the range. We're doing Leupold, and we're gonna see how our shooting skills come upon today. Other than that, we have Jordan, Bryant, and Mason at the booth, so we'll have them run that while we go run the course at 9. But yeah, we'll check in with those guys, see how they're doing, and so far so good. Very successful run so far. Let's go shoot some targets. We're up here, Boyne Mountain, heading out to Leupold for our first, we should say, run of the day. We got Adam. This is Adam's actually first time out on the mountain. This is currently my third, but shooting first time. Adam, how do you feel about today? Are you a little nervous?
I feel like I'm glad I brought a dozen arrows, 'cause most of them probably aren't coming home.
Alrighty guys, we're at shot number 22 of 25. We're going for an elk here at
43.
Yeah, this was a damn good time. This will be easy to do again.